What if your most productive employee never slept, never complained, and lived right inside your business software? AI automation isn't a buzzword in 2026. It is the secret weapon for teams that want to double their output without doubling their headcount. Today, I'm going to show you how to work smarter by letting Bitrix's 24 AI handle the heavy lifting so you can finally focus on the bigger picture. Let's jump into the video.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we got something absolutely amazing for you. So I asked the question, what if your productive employee never slept, just kept going? Well, we have AI automations right here, and that is Bitrix 24. This copilot lives inside your tasks, your chats, your CRM, and it's going to help you draft emails, summarize those long conversations. It's also going to help you generate creative ideas, and it'll do all of that instantly. As we can see right here, you can get it to work with all your flows. So imagine when you get like writer's block, you're trying to think, what can I write next? Or you just don't know what to write. This is great for sales, for support teams. It can even generate professional grade images for you right here. Can handle all of your business functions. And this eliminates the need for toggling between different AI tools, going through Claude, going through Gemini, going through ChatGPT. You have everything right here. So what we do is we leverage the agentic AI. So what that means is we just pick the AI for the specific task that's going to automate that repetitive technical task like lead distribution, status updates. If you want document generation, we can do it. And you don't need to toggle through different AI tools as well. So the whole idea is you set it and get much better than this. And you might say, I don't know about this because, well, doesn't it need code? Don't I have to be an expert or real technical to use AI? And the answer is no. You can actually use no-code AI to allow any user to build autonomous workflows without needing a background in programming. Maybe not even a background in technical aspects. You can just go ahead and build this. And here, the great thing is it democratizes the high-level tech for the small business owners. So here we can see just a chat right here, everything that's been completed. And we can see, if you're a small business owner, why this is so great. It does everything here for you. This analyzes the sales history. It gives you different predictions. You can see the deal success even. You can see which leads are most likely to convert. So you're not just hitting on leads and then guessing. And that's the power, the predictive power that helps sales teams just prioritize their time effectively. So you're not jumping into a call saying, I hope, this works. Like, as you can see, discuss a new marketing campaign, social media ads, stuff like that, draft social media ads, prepare landing pages. We have everything there. And even there, you can automate triggers to send personal follow-ups to clients based on the behavior, based on what's going on. So no opportunity falls through the cracks. So that's how you can create a high-touch customer experience. Guys, let's take a look here. We can see session. We can see what's going on, generic copilot role. And this is what I really, really like. It's very, very simple. A lot of people are trying to work harder. I say work smarter. Use AI to your advantage, especially for the fact that you can get so much stuff done here. So I'm pulling it to create a professional business team collaborate with a modern office. As you can see, we have futuristic technology. We get the dashboard. You can look on the left-hand side here. We can see automation. So I can check on my automations right here. Boom. It's very, very simple. We can come right here. See the deals, the invoices, the leads, all that type of stuff. It is all good to go. So that's one thing that I really like. So we're going to go ahead and explore the CRM now. So we can see the automation rules right here. I'm just going to pull this up, take a quick look so we can see the different triggers, automation rules. I'll come here and click create. Then we can come down here, take a look at data storage, modification. We have different tasks. We have managing workflow items, and I can see this right here. So I can track the value change. I can go ahead and click add right here or change a responsible person. You can just go ahead and play around with this. Why this is so effective, we can start to get an idea for what we need to do. So who's going to handle the workflow item? What's it going to do? How's it going to work? And I can also change the person right here who's responsible, as we can see. So we can go ahead and change this. I'm going to go ahead and pick Michael here. We can organize it how we want to. If we want to do it in a random order, if we want to do it first available, however it works, we can simply do that. You can skip any absent employees or any employees who have clocked out, which is very, very simple. And then we just hit save. And then we just hit OK. Ooh. So we can go here. Now I'm just going to check all of the settings. You can see everything. Then give it a new responsible person and hit save. We can see it works there. So we got everything going. Now I can simply come out of here. Now I can choose to save or not. I can exit right here. And it's pretty simple from there. So as we can see the different workflows here, we can see who's in charge of it. So who's responsible, change the responsible persons as we go. But these are AI agents, keep in mind. These are not physical people. So you pick one AI agent to do one task. Say you want to create a document, have HR review it, then go through, have more reviews. You can do that here. You can have designers, you can have people who are business people, you can have people of all walks of life and everything doing agentic tasks that a human would, but they're very repetitive and they take up a lot of business bandwidth and time. So I just click that. You can see the workflows. I'm going to go ahead and start a workflow right here. So here we can see the different workflows, the approval, the business trip, the requests, all that type of stuff. If there's leave approval, and I can go ahead and hit next. I can go ahead and click start right here. And I just go ahead and pick a date and pick an end date. So boom, we're good to go. Now I can pick an absence type if I so choose. And then a reason for leave. I want to spend some time with the fam. And I can do that. Why? Because I'm using agentic AI. So now we can see all of the different things right here, the general request, purchase, expense, all that type of stuff, business trip. And it's very, very simple. So a lot of people are going to ask, how can I set this all up? Well, we have sales channels right here. So you can do telephone, webmail, got CRM forms. We got everything here. We got the sales center, the CRM. We have invoices, we have estimates, even AI speech and analytics and sales scripts. So we can go through there and also repeat sales, and we can take a look at that as well. So I can go ahead and open this up here. We can see, returning customer, objection handling, communication style, all that type of stuff, complaint, objection handling. So I can go through all of this and see just what's kind of going on, get a feel for it. And here we can see the contacts, you can see the different people I have for sales support, objection handling. So this to me is not just like, oh, okay, I'm going to set, a chat bot. This is saying I'm going to have a whole sales team available so we can make something happen. And also so we can, go through. So here we have the CRM with the different deals. So I'm just going to come through here. So we want to make sure we can, as I showed you, analyze a deal so we make sure it closes. And here we can see Sarah Williams. So I'm going to go ahead, pick up on that one. I'm going to open that up so I can see, oh, okay, here's what's going on with the lead, where they are in the pipeline, everything else like that, the information, if I want to contact the customer or not, and what the most important thing is to do here in this part of the process. So I'm making this extremely simple. Just going to go ahead, craft this email. Now I don't have to figure out the email. This will also do that for me as well. And that's what I really like about this. The whole process saying, okay, theoretically, I'm going to come in and type an email, make another email. I have the whole subject right here. So this is a follow-up email. We can see what I'm going to send here. So I just go ahead and click on send, and then we're good to go. So I'm going to simplify this for you guys right here, right now. What I'm going to tell you guys, if you've been using AI, stop working harder, start working smarter. Head to the link in the description, start your free 15-day Bittrex 24 trial. Put these AI tools to work on your business today. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below. Thank you.